With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi students, the question given is a cleft occurs in hypophysis between. Our options are median eminence in stalk, hypophyseal stalk and pars nervosa, pars tiburalis and pars distalis, and pars distalis and pars intermedia. Now firstly, all these options, they are different parts of the pituitary gland. We know that pituitary gland is known as the master gland, and this pituitary gland is responsible for secretion of many hormones, and this pituitary gland is also known as hypophysis. Now this hypophysis or the pituitary gland, it has two lobes. We know the anterior lobe and the posterior lobe. Here the anterior lobe, it is known as the adenohypophysis. Okay, so adenohypophysis, this is the adenohypophysis, this is the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland, and the posterior lobe, it is known as the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland, it is known as neurohypophysis. Okay, so neurohypophysis, this is the name of the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland. Now here the anterior lobe or the adenohypophysis, this consists of two parts. What are these parts? These are the pars distalis. The pars distalis, it is also known as the anterior lobe, and then there is the pars intermedia. Okay, so the pars intermedia and the pars distalis, these are the anterior and the intermediate lobe, but in human these pars intermedia, it is almost merged with the pars distalis, and they together give the appearance of the anterior lobe. Okay, and to mark the separation that these are two different lobes, there is a cleft or a sac. A cleft or a sac is present in between the pars distalis and the pars intermedia, and this cleft or sac, it is known as Rathke's slough. Okay, so Rathke's cleft, it is present in between these pars distalis and pars intermedia, and they are the different lobes, but they are merged. So this, to mark this merge emergement, a cleft or sac is there. Now, thus, if we see the options, median eminence in stalk is a wrong option. These are different parts of the pituitary gland, as I mentioned earlier. Hypophyseal stalk and pars nervosa, again, this is a wrong option. Pars tiburalis is the posterior part where neurohypophysis is present, so this is again a wrong option. The last option, pars distalis and pars intermedia, this is the right option for our question. A cleft occurs in the pituitary or hypophysis in between the pars distalis and pars intermedia. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.